This is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And today we are in a different setting. We're in my upstairs loft studio where I tend to be creative sometimes. And today I want to do a DIY with you guys. As you know, I love handbags, I love accessories, and there is a popular bag out that everybody is carrying, and that is the Neverfull by Louis Vuitton. And that is a bag that I said I would never entertain buying because just the saturation of people that carry that bag, and then also the number of replicas that are out there as well. But they have this line out called the World Tour, and it's where you can customize your bag. Now that I thought was a unique idea, because then you wouldn't have everybody out there walking around with your same bag. But it gave me an idea, like, how could I kind of be inspired by this and recreate something that is more affordable for me? And I thought I would go out, find me an inexpensive tote bag, and get me some stickers, or I should say, you know, those patches, those sew-on or stick-on patches that you can put on travel bags. They're like travel stickers. And so that is exactly what I did. So I went to a few stores. I went to Target, I went to Joann's, and I went to Hobby Lobby, and I ended up finding a bag at Walmart, believe it or not, for $3. They were having a clearance, and they just happened to have a black tote for $3. So I got that. That was perfect. And then Hobby Lobby and Joann's had the stickers. So I got some stickers that I thought would really work as some patches on this bag. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you know about the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, then you know what I'm talking about. But if not, I'll show you on the split screen. So they have it to where you can pick your tote. It can be trimmed in vachetta leather, or it could be trimmed in a treated leather with black trim, which is the option I would go for if I could afford that bag. And then you have the option of going and decorating your bag. So it's like a limited amount of options, but you do have options. So you have choices of stickers, as you see on the split screen, and then you can place them where you'd like. And then you can also have your name put on it. And I think that's a really neat and cool idea. So this is going to be my inspiration. Stick around if you like that type of thing. So this is the tote that I picked up from Walmart. It's just a simple black tote. It's made out of polyurethane. It has the tan interior inside, just really basic, and it was only $3. It was on clearance, which is perfect for this quick little project. This is meant to just be fun and just experimental, and you mothers out there might want to do this with your teenage daughters. This would be a good rainy day project, and like I said, it's just something that I was inspired to do from the Louis Vuitton World Tour bag. So now we're going to take a look at the patches and start playing around with them and see how we can arrange them, and then I'll also tell you the other supplies that you'll need. So these are some of the patches and pins that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and from Joann's. And I just got some different kind of appliques that are travel related. And I will be opening these up so you can see them and we can arrange them. But all of them have something to do either with traveling or something that represents my personality, like, you know, kind of getting dolled up. I got the lipstick in the lips, my faith, and then some more little travel pins that have different things representative of traveling. So those are the things that I got. And then I also picked up some E6000 because you do need an industrial strength adhesive for these. And then I just got a pair of scissors to open up those pieces. So another thing too is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull comes with a pouch, but this bag did not, but I already had a pouch at home. So this is what I'll be using to throw in my tote when I use it. And this is just a little Coach pouch that I picked up. And let's go ahead and open these babies up and start arranging them. So I've already laid out the patches where I want them in a general sense. And I've eliminated the ones that I'm not going to use, even though I love animals. I think I'm going to leave the poodles off. And I'm not really into pink, so I'm going to leave the Paris word off as well. So the ones that I've pushed to the back are the things that I'm not going to use, and I've opted not to use the pens, so that's not going to be useful. Now I'm going to stick with these. These are great. And now we're going to go ahead and start adhering them using the E6000 glue. Now the first two stickers that I'm going to put on are self-adhesive, so all I have to do is peel the backing off of the letters and adhere them. It's a pretty strong adhesive, and these are my initials, A for Audrey, and we're going to put that on, and then M for Marie. So these are kind of like school type lettering or collegiate type lettering, so I really like those, and they're bold. So I think they're a good contrast with the white trim around it for the black bag. Now that I have those in place, the rest of the stickers I will use the E6000 glue on because they do not have any adhesion on them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm just going to speed this process up. So here you're going to see me playing around with the stickers because I couldn't quite make up my mind where I wanted them. I wanted it to be balanced, you know, in a sense of asymmetrically balanced visually, and I didn't want too much yellow on one side or too much red on one side. So yeah, you will have to play around with it just to get that visual balance that you need. But just wanted to throw that in there. I think I got it where I want it now. I think that looks good. The yellows seem a little bit more cohesive, more towards the center of the bag. Now the lip sticker was a different type of sticker. It needed to be ironed on, so I got innovative and I'm going to use my curling iron to adhere the lips to the bag. So I waited until my curlers were nice and hot, and that way I could manipulate the bag and iron it on. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, guys. But it worked. So yeah, you gotta get ingenious when it comes to doing DIY projects. Problem solving at its best. The ingenious idea of using the curling iron worked. The lips are in place, and now I'm getting ready to put the final sticker on, which is the lipstick tube. This was so much fun, guys. I hope you had fun too. Final step is to let the glue cure for 72 hours, and then you should be ready to use your tote. Well guys, thank you so much for tuning in for this quick little DIY project. I thought it was really fun. And this was just something that I got inspired by when I saw the Louis Vuitton World Tour Neverfull tote. And I just thought it was the cutest thing, but I didn't want to spend that amount of money. So, you know, it kind of hit me. Why not try and do it yourself? And that is what I did. And like I said, I ended up spending probably a little over $20-something for this project. That's with the glue, the stickers, and the bag itself. But I thought it turned out really nicely, and I know this is not everyone's cup of tea. Some people may think this is tacky or gaudy or cheap, but to each his own. I just thought this would be a cute little thing to share for those of you who may be interested. I just like being creative, and I thought this would be a lightweight tote to carry to the beach. I could put my towel in it, my water, my sunscreen, a book, my shades, and I would be ready to go. And it's personalized. You can't beat that. Do any of you out there on the Louis Vuitton World Tour Neverfull? I'd love to hear how you are liking it. And also I have more videos coming up, and it'll be videos on how to not spend money but still be fashionable, and that will be a continuous series from here on out. And I love you all. Thanks for watching, and remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because he truly loves us so much. Bye.